one of the important areas we have to see in fourth chapter, that is bonded labor system. So in social issues especially, so we have to see one of the important areas, that is bonded labor system. Bonded labor system, otherwise it is also called forced labor. Bonded labor we are calling, otherwise it is also called forced labor. Bonded labor system. Bonded labor system that emerged in Telangana. How this bonded labor that existed in Telangana? Because of poverty, because of illiteracy, because of ignorance, people they are working under jamindars, deshmukhs, jagirdars, otherwise under nizams like that. So this system that continued, bonded labor system that continued in Telangana. So it continued there in Telangana. What are the causes for this bonded labor system? Why they people became bonded laborers? Bonded labor system that is also called just like slavery, serfdom or forced labor. It is also called what? It is also called forced labor. It was called forced labor. It was just like slavery. Okay, slaves have no rights. Serfdom like that we are calling, but some difference that is there. So here slaves are sold in the market, slaves are purchased in the market, but bonded labor system is not like that. Okay, anyhow, bonded labor system that emerged in Telangana. Everywhere they used to say word ni kalmakta banchan. That word continued in Telangana because of illiteracy, because of poverty, because of ignorance. So all these became cause to become bonded labor. Okay, from these jamindars, they used to get some money for their benefits, or for some cause or the other cause, they were taking money from jamindar or jagirdar or deshmukhs during that time. To clear that amount, they used to become bonded labor under these jamindars. That is the main reason how this bonded labor system arose. It got its origin in Padma Puranam. Okay, it got its origin there in Padma Puranam itself said about what bonded labor system. So there is especially bonded labor system that appears. Okay, like that. So anyhow, what happened? This bonded labor system that emerged, we can say. Okay. So in Telangana, bonded labor system that was started with this Telangana people's armed struggle that was suppressed. In Telangana, bonded labor system emerged. So they used to work under jamindars, jagirdars, deshmukhs, deshmukhs, otherwise deshpandes, etc. Deshpandes were calling like that. So they used to render their services. People, downtrodden community people mainly, they were rendering their services, we can say. Downtrodden community people, especially they are scheduled caste people only. Even scheduled tribe people did not work like this. Okay, scheduled caste people only worked like this. Okay, so like this, bonded labor system that developed in Telangana, we can. With this Telangana people's armed struggle, so Telangana people's armed struggle, this was completely suppressed. Telangana people's armed struggle, we can say. So this was completely stopped, bonded labor system, because almost 12,000 villages became free from the this bonded labor system. Okay, 12,000 villages in Telangana. Because of this Telangana people's armed struggle, 12,000, okay, 12,000 villages became free from the clutches of this bonded labor system, Nagu money lending system, etc. Okay, so this especially, it is all because how, in the sense, what are the causes for this bonded labor system? What types of bonded labor system that is existing? What are the types of bonded labor system in the sense? In bonded labor system, mainly we can say that, so there is especially, one is a Begar system, one is Gutti system, one is Bagela system. Okay, Gutti system. In bonded labor system, we can say that one is Gutti system. This Gutti system that is existing. One is Begar system. One is Bagela system. Like that, they are all existing in this bonded labor system. So one is, we are calling Gutti system. Gutti system indicates if all the family members they are doing bonded labor, then we are calling this one as Gutti. All the family members, brother, sister, mother, father, all will go to their, so this work, bonded labor work only. So then it is called what in the sense? Gutti system. Begar system without remuneration. without remuneration. Without remuneration. They will render their services without remuneration. 1 2 hours work, or sometimes because he is Jamindar, how can we demand money from him? Okay, so he is so at the same time helpful. Sometimes or sometime or the other time he will do the help like that, keeping in that in the mind they will render their services without taking money. That is what in the sense beggar system. Bagela system indicates what in the sense if all the family members they have to work under one jamindar, they are not allowed to work under some others, they have to work under one jamindar or one family. That is called what? Bagela system. Like this, anyhow, bonded labor system that emerged, that came into force in Telangana, like that we can say. Okay, so this especially what happened, Brahmin domination that continued during that time. After that, upper caste domination that continued. So there is for the emergence of this one, if you see, so this Gotti system or Bagela system, all these why they emerged in the sense, one is Brahmin domination. One is Brahmin domination that continued in the society. Brahmin domination that continued. One is upper caste domination that continued. Upper caste domination that also continued in the society. At this moment, what happened? These people, thousands of acres of land, these jamindars, jamindari system that also became one of the causes for this. They used to have thousands of acres of land and they used to get these people, bonded labor only to work there. So at times they are providing money to these bonded laborers especially because of something or the other thing. They were taking money and within 1 year they have to clear the amount. Otherwise they have to pay 3 times that amount. 1,000 rupees, see, that fellow took 1,000 rupees. Instead of 1,000 rupees, sometimes they have to pay 2,000 or 3,000 rupees also. Like that, it's very heavy. To clear that amount, what happened? They used to become bonded labor. So like that, so bonded labor system that came into force, like that we can say. Because of illiteracy, because of poverty, because of ignorance, because of downtroddenness, because of this, so all these causes became especially, so causes for the, especially we can say. So what are the, so these features of this bonded labor system? Okay, so in this especially what happened in the sense, so there is so many category people they were doing this bonded labor. Many category people they were doing bonded labor. So under jamindars or jagirdars, like that. Sometimes washermen or cobblers, at the same time carpenters. So like that, many people they are doing their works. Okay, respective works. So like that, anyhow, many people, so downtrodden community people only maximum extent they worked under, so these jamindars as bonded laborers. So then in bonded labor system what happened in the sense, okay, in bonded labor system, so there is a bonded labor system that is main. What are the causes for the outbreak of this bonded labor system? What are the causes for the outbreak of this bonded labor system, that we have to see. What causes are there for the outbreak of bonded labor system? Causes for bonded labor system. First and foremost one, so poverty is a first and foremost one we can say. Causes for bonded labor system. One is poverty. So first and foremost one, poverty. When poverty is there, automatically he will do something to earn his bread and butter or to get livelihood. There is no other go. He has to do something. Like that, poverty that became one of the important reasons for this bonded labor system. Second one, if he is literate, it's not a problem. He will do something and will earn bread and butter. But when the person is illiterate, that also became one of the causes for this one. If a person is illiterate, he will born in that particular village and he will do the work in the particular village and he will die in the same village. So there is no question of going to some other village or some other town also. Why in the sense? Because of illiteracy. That's a major cause. Suppose if he is illiterate, he will do something and he will move to some other town, so for the sake of employment or to earn money, like that, that opportunity that is there. But when he is an illiterate, only physical work can be done, not the things. Okay, that's why, so here that also became one of the causes for this one. So then Nagu money lending system, that also became reason for this. Nagu money lending system. Nagu money lending. This Nagu money lending system, that also they are getting money from these Nagu money lenders. Nagu money lenders, they existed. Half of the money that was taken as interest by them. Suppose if they provide 1,000 rupees, while returning it 1,500 rupees he has to pay. Like that, to clear that amount, they sometimes they use it to join as bonded labor. Nagu money lending system, that also became one of the important. Social backwardness, that also became one of the causes for this. Social backwardness, that also became one of the causes. So socially he was completely backward. So and at the same time there is no other go. He has to do some work like that. So then landlordism and landlords so upper hand. Landlordism, that also became one of the cause for this. Landlordism. In this landlordism, he will appoint many people. He will provide some money and he will ask them to work. Sometimes when because of poverty, they have no money to buy this food grains or something, they will join as bonded labor. So this landlordism, that also became one of the causes. So for this, so especially, so bonded labor system like that it was. This Jamindars, they used to maintain private army also. Suppose sometimes if by this bonded labor they are not listening, they are beaten black and blue by this private army. This landlords, they are maintaining private army. One is, you see, one is poverty, one is illiteracy, one is Nagu money lending system, social backwardness, that also became cause for this bonded labor system, landlordism, that also became one of the reasons, and these zamindars, they are maintaining private army also. Zamindars. So because of fear, sometimes this bonded labor, they used to continue. These zamindars, they are maintaining private army. They are maintaining this private army also. Zamindars, they were maintaining private army, and with that fear also, they used to have. Okay, then, so even though these downtrodden community people got some pieces of land, 5 acres, 3 acres land, because of scanty rainfall, because of drought or famines, they did not get any crop. At this moment, there is no other go. They have to work somewhere to earn their bread and butter. Like that, they became bonded labor. So got some lands, especially 3 acres, 5 acres land that is there. Suppose rainfall is there, monsoon rainfall is there, so then they can get some crop and they can lead their lives. But what happened? During that time, because of scanty rainfall, because of this scanty rainfall, otherwise because of famines, there is no opportunity for them to work. And they are becoming bonded labor. Previously, what happened last year, COVID-19, and now also it is continuing, you know well. Okay, because of COVID-19, what happened? Many people became bonded labor or some laborers. Okay, so that's the thing which happened. So why in the sense? So there is no other go. So private teachers, private school teachers, what happened in the sense? They became workers. Why in the sense? No work, no pay. No work, no pay, like that. They said at this moment they completely became workers only, like that here. So all these reasons, they are there for this one, for the outbreak of, for the outbreak or so for this bonded labor system, we can say. For this bonded labor system, many reasons they are there, like that we can say. Scanty rainfall or famines, that is also one of the things like that. It was all said. Okay, so then these jamindars, they were appointing these people, especially by providing small amounts, they used to get them. So like this, these are all the causes. So why this bonded labor system that was started, in the sense, these are all the causes. So because of these causes only, that was mainly what happened, in the sense, source of income was not there. Source of income to live and lead life. Source of income. When source of income that is not there, automatically he will become bonded labor. If source of income is there, he will earn money and he can get the things done. Otherwise, if source of income is not there, what he will do? Nothing. He has to join as bonded labor. Like that, this bonded labor system, or so forced labor we are calling, this was started in the society. Okay. So then, so this what happened in the sense. So this, especially for this one, what are the features of this one in the sense, in this bonded labor system, there is no economic transactions, financial transactions, all these will not continue. Okay. So, so downtrodden community people only will join as bonded labor, and it is of no use. It is economic exploitation, completely exploitation. Okay. So this, what are the features of this bonded labor if we see? No financial transactions. So once money is paid, that's all. Again and again, no financial transactions. No financial features. What features are there? There was no financial transactions. Financial transactions. No financial transactions. So once money is paid, that's all. It will continue for 5 years, 3 years, like that. Financial transactions will not take place. Okay. So then, so downtrodden community people will not get any benefit from this. Bonded labor system will collapse his life completely. Okay, this bonded labor. Because morning to evening has to work somewhere. Every day routine work. Every day early in the morning has to go until night he has to be there. With that, what things are happening in the country, what things are happening in the world, all these are not known to a bonded labor. He will become ignorant completely. Like that. So here, so this bonded labor system, development will not take place. This development or improvement will not take place. So will not take place. Development will not take place. Okay. So it will not give any way for the development of a person. So because morning to evening also has to work somewhere in the field. So or at the same time has to take the cattle for grazing, and morning to evening has to struggle. Like that only has to spend time with that. So what things are going in the country or what things are going in the world, all these are not known to this one. So that's continued. That's why only this became curse to society.